Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project and confirming the engine version so you avoid incompatibilities. Open your Unreal editor and immediately back up the project folder. Once done, open Edit and choose Editor Preferences. This is faster than changing system settings. Make sure to scan the left panel for regional, internationalization, or language options. You're hunting for locale settings that apply editor UI and project text. This step lets you control where language changes will take effect and prevents accidental data loss. Now change the editor and project locale so your UI and game text match. In Editor Preferences, set editor locale to the language you need, then restart the editor to apply UI translations. Next, enable the Localization dashboard from Window Localization Dashboard to manage string tables. Gather text sources so you can translate runtime content. Finally, in Project Settings under Internationalization, add the target culture, S, and set a default. This ensures packaged builds use the correct language by default when deployed. Finish by compiling and testing the localized build so you confirm everything displays correctly. Cook and package for your target platform, then run the build and switch languages in-game to verify UI, subtitles, and HUD text. If text is missing or shows keys instead of strings, regenerate localization resources in the Localization dashboard and re-import updated PO or Locers files. One key troubleshooting tip: if characters look wrong, check font support and file encoding. Missing glyphs or incorrect fallbacks often cause a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.